Hi everyone, today this video I will show you on water working experiment. Let's start how to do this one. So for starting this experiment we need some materials. So here you can see this is one material, like this is like a DOMS paper colors. So this color, there are multiple colors are there, so we can use some color like for this experiment. And also I took like 3 glasses. So in 3 glass we will use for working the water from one glass to another glass. So this kind of experiment we will do. And also we need some water. So this is a jug, like I just added some water here. So for mixing the color and water, there are some broth is there, so I will use this broth for mixing the water. And also like for working the color from one glass to another glass, I just took some like paper. So this is like some napkin paper, so this will help us for like working the water from one glass to another glass. So let's start how to do this one. So what I need to do, so I need to add like water. So from this glass one, so this is the glass one, I added some water here. This is glass one I added. So second one, like I will keep blank, I will not adding any water here. So third glass, what I need to do, I need to add the same amount of water whatever I added in the glass one. So I added the same. So now what I need to do, so you can see here like there are 3 glass. So first glass I just added some water, second glass it is like blank, third glass I added the same amount of water. So now what I need to do, so this color, right, so this color you can choose any color. So randomly I just put like red color, second one I just picking like the blue color, so third one like it is like some blank, so no need to use any color. So you can see like DOMS poster color. So this color like I will use for like for this video, and also this is for red, this one also blue I will use for this experiment. So what I need to do, I need to add like some few color in the glass one, and this blue color I will add in the third glass. So let me open this one. So I will use one brush here. So this brush, like I will take some color and I mix that one. So here you can see like this color, now red color here. Let me close this one. So what I need to do, like this glass, right, I will use blue color for adding like the same amount of color here. So let me take some like color here and add this glass. So here you can see like the first one is the red color and the last one is the blue color. So what I need to do now, so the major one, like I will use like this pumpkin paper. So this paper, what I will do, if I add this paper from here to here and from third to second one, right, so it will move the color from first one to second one and from third one to second one. Let's start how to do this one. So what I need to do here, I just took like one like pumpkin paper, second one also pumpkin paper I took here. So from here like I just open this one, so I just see clearly here. So let me open this paper like this way. So this way I open this one. So I just folding this one like this way. So I fold like this way. So here you can see I fold like this kind of way the paper. This is the paper one. So second paper, what I need to do, so use the same method only. So I open this one like this way. So this also I need to fold like this way. So here you can see like I fold like this second one, and also this one also I fold like this way. Zoom this one. So what I need to do, I need to add this one here. I need to add this one like this way. So here you can see, right, I added like this way. So from glass third one, right, I just drop this one, and also here I drop this one. So now you can see, right, so here you can see the color is coming from third glass to second glass, and here also first glass to this glass. So here you can see the color is moving from here to here, and this first glass to this one also. So now you can see, right, so here you can see, right, the red color already like entered to the second glass by using this napkin paper, and the third glass also already like started flowing from third glass to second glass, and already it's fully entered here. So I hope like you already understand so how you can start a sample experiment in your home. So this is the way like how you will like start like an experiment and you will complete your project. So thank you so much.